My name is Dr. Nicola Mercer. I'm the Medical Officer of Health and CEO of Wellington-Dufferin-Guelph Public Health. I have been a physician for a long time, more than 30 years. After spending 15 of those years in the hospital environment, I made the decision to, rather than treating the effects of disease, to actually try to look at what I can do to prevent the effects of those diseases. When we think about chronic alcohol use, most people think about cirrhosis of the liver, and certainly that is a very common effect of drinking too much. But there are other things that you should worry about in addition to liver cirrhosis. So we do know that there's a link between alcohol and certain cancers. And some of those cancers are female breast cancer, as well as some of the gastrointestinal cancers, and in particular oropharyngeal cancer, which is cancers of the mouth, the head, and the neck. And by that I mean cancers specifically of the mouth, internal mouth, of the tongue, sometimes of the jaw, and sometimes of the throat and the esophagus. These are really bad cancers. They're very disfiguring if you have to have them removed. More importantly, though, what we see when it comes to alcohol use is things that alcohol causes indirectly. So trauma and violence. If you're a woman, if you are pregnant or you are thinking of being pregnant, then certainly alcohol is something you should avoid. Your unborn baby is affected by your alcohol use. The effects seem to be because alcohol is a neurotoxin in how the brain is wired and developed. It often shows up as behavioral issues and learning disorders for these children. And unfortunately, they are lifelong, although there are many things we can do to try and improve their condition. We do believe the best advice is to prevent it and to not drink while you're pregnant. Alcohol is pervasive in our society, and it cuts across gender, it cuts across income. I think there's a lot of grief, regret, sadness from all of the effects of alcohol. For those who do not misuse alcohol, is often associated with sort of good times. So it is difficult to separate the two, but for those who have been touched by the negative consequences of alcohol, it is it's a very serious and significant problem for those individuals.